Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Snapchat app on your device. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to the Play Store or the App Store based on your device. It will take you straight to the home page. I will be showing you the step-by-step process of downloading Snapchat app on Android devices today. On the top of your screen, tap the search bar. Here, type in Snapchat. When done, tap the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you will be taken right to the search list. Look for the icon with a white coast emoji in a yellow background. Most likely, the Snapchat app will be at the top of your search list. Tap Snapchat and hit the install button. This might take a while. After the download is completed, tap Open. And that's how you download Snapchat app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.